you're very confident and you're able to basically solve a lot of problems in Excel. Fine. So wherever you have a doubt, please ask me number of times. That will be
Okay.
great. Okay. I hope you have received the mail. Steve, have you received the mail from Palash? Because these are the data files.
Yes, she has them.
She has them? Okay, perfect. Mm, Palash, you have to make me host so that I'm able to share my screen. Okay, thank you. Just a sec. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Give me one sec. Just a sec. Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, so Excel, a very, very powerful tool for data analysis. Whenever you have to analyze the data, everyone uses Excel since many years. Monique, do you know which version which came for the first for Excel? What was the name of
Um,
the version which came? Are you aware of it?
I have Excel 2013 on my laptop.
Okay, you have 2013. Great.
Mhm.
And I'll just let you know the first version we used to call as 1997 2003. After that, 2007, then 2010, and you have this version.
Yep.
Fine. And my screen is 2016. Fine. And 2019 also launched 6 months back. Fine. Uh, but like a lot of features are there in 2013 also. So we'll be covering all those features of Excel. Whenever you save your Excel file, what is the extension of that Excel file?
Isn't it like EXL or something like that? Uh,
Okay, Eden, EXL you're saying? No. Any other guess?
no, it has an X and
No.
an L in it, I believe.
Okay, it's dot XLSX. Fine.
Okay.
The extension of the Excel file is dot XLSX. Previously, as in like 2003, it was XLS. After that, all these versions are XLSX. Are we good? Is it okay? Are you able to
Yep.
understand what I'm trying to tell you? Okay,
Yep.
perfect. Excel is all about the rows, the columns, and the rows. Fine. Do you know how many rows in one sheet?
Um,
So we are able to see on screen 20 rows. Like in my screen, I'm able to see 20. So how many rows in one sheet?
hold on. Opening it up. I wasn't sure which file we were starting with, so I didn't
Okay,
open it up
okay. So
yet.
just open a blank workbook of Excel.
Okay.
Fine. Just open a blank workbook of Excel and do adjustment so that you are able to see my screen also and you are able to see your screen also.
All right. Hold on just a second.
Yeah, sure. I'll wait.
All right. So if I scroll all the way over in a workbook,
Yeah.
all the way down, let's see. It's taking a while to scroll all the way down.
No problems. No problems. So where do you stay in US? Which place you belong
I'm in
to?
Rhode Island, so it's
Okay.
like south of Mass.
Okay. Great.
And you want the max number of rows?
Yeah, the max number of rows.
Okay. Ooh, it's taken me a while to get all the way down.
How you're doing? You're
Well,
going
I'm
from down
already
arrow?
on. Yeah. Is there a
No, no.
faster way?
So you have to press control and down arrow key. Then you'll be at the last row. Press from
Oh, cool.
control. Yeah.
All right. So I have 1,048,000.
1,000,576.
That's the one.
So that's the one. So approximately 1 million rows. You was knowing this?
Nope.
No? Okay, fine. Now similar way, press control and up arrow key and you'll be on cell number one. So
Yep.
control and up. Okay. Now check for how many columns are there.
XFD, it goes all the way up to.
Yeah, right. So how many? How to check? So these are coming the combination of XFD, but how many? How can we check that?
We can use a count command.
Which command?
Equals count.
And just do that.
Okay.
Hmm.
Coming up as 0. Probably
Yeah,
because
because
they're not
count.
populated.
No. So count whenever it's some data in the cell. It will not count the blank cells. Fine. Okay. I'll let you know. The formula name is equal to column. Equal to column, open and close bracket.
Okay.
Yeah. Just try doing this. Equal to column, open and close bracket.
All right. All right. And then I have 16,384.
Yeah. So we have 16,384 columns in one sheet and 1,048,576 rows in one sheet. Am I clear?
Yeah. So is there a row equation just like the column equation?
Yeah, we have, though we are able to see the number, but you have. So equal to row, open and close bracket gives you the row number. So you have the same formula equal to row, open and close bracket. Though we are able to see the number.
Yep. Very cool. All right.
Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's see what we call this, like, home insert page layout. What are these called?
I would just call them tabs.
Yeah, these are called the tabs. Fine. Then you have over here the top one. This is called a title bar, which is coming on top, the book one thing. I'll
Mm-hmm.
show you. I am talking about this area.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. And then basically below the tabs, this area, this entire area is called ribbon.
Ribbon. Okay.
Yeah. So you can talk about this area. This entire area is called ribbon. Am I clear?
Yep.
Then in home, you'll be able to see like clipboard font, they are called groups. It's the name which is coming below the icons, like you can see. Are you able to see in
Mm-hmm.
home? They
Yep.
are called groups. So how many groups are coming for you in home?
My screen is a little squished, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It ends at cells for me, and then editing is kind of squished because I have a split screen.
Okay. So it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for you, might be. All
Mm-hmm.
right. Okay. And then this one. What is this bar called? Where you write the formula? What is this bar called?
Formula bar?
Yeah, this is called the formula bar. And then you have the last thing where it comes ready. This one, this is called the status bar, where you have the zoom buttons. This is called the status bar.
Okay.
Okay, okay, fine. So now I'll be telling you some of the keyboard shortcuts. Fine. You do practice along with me. Press Shift and F11 and see what you got. Press Shift and F11 two, three times and see what you're getting.
Um, Nothing's happening.
Nothing is happening. Okay, so you have to press Shift and then Fn keys also. So press Shift function plus F11 in your case then.
Yep, I'm doing
Hold.
that. It looks like it's just reloading the
Okay.
page, getting a reload symbol.
Okay. Can I see your screen? Just show me your screen and let me see what's happening. Just share
Sure.
your screen.
Let's see. Screen. So Shift FN F11. Go back there.
Shift Fn and F11.
See how it just does the oh, it's adding new sheets at the bottom.
Adding new sheet. Is it adding new
Yep.
sheet now?
Yep.
Okay. So
I have a
yeah,
billion of them. I didn't notice it was happening.
yeah. Try inserting four, five sheets using the same shortcut key.
Up to 10 now.
Okay, great, fine. Now, how to navigate from one sheet to another? I want to go to sheet 5 to sheet 4 to sheet 3. It is control page down and page up. It's page down
All
and page
right.
up.
Got
Are you
it.
able to navigate? Are you able to go from one sheet to another?
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. The next keyboard shortcut in any of the cells, simply press Control semicolon and see what you got.
I have the date.
Yeah, the date. The date is coming in which format? Is it coming date first or is it coming month first?
Month.
Month. Okay, so it's showing you month, date, and year. Am I right?
Yes.
So if it depends on your system date. So if you check your system date, it's date, month, and year. For me, it is month, date, and year. So basically, for India, today is like a very special day because it's a Republic Day, 26th January. So today was a Republic Day for India.
Okay.
Okay, so you got the date. Now, if you wish to change the format, I want it should come 26th January 2021. How you'll be able to change it? I want it should come 26 hyphen January. So instead of number, I want month name. Do you know how to change this?
Let's see. Go into oops. If you go into format
Yeah,
and
go to
I right
format
clicked the cell format and then
and then
you can pick
then
the type you want.
yeah, you can pick the type you want. So I am selecting in this and I got the January thing. 26th January 2021. Are you able to get this? Are you able to change this?
Hold on, I'm trying to pick the same one that you are, but I have a whole list. Uh, and you want the day in front. Hmm.
Are you able to change?
I can change it to whatever I want except for the specific example that you have.
Okay, okay, fine. But now the task which I'm going to do is like, you have to find out the specific one in which I want 26th January 2021, comma, like today's day. Today is Tuesday. So it should show. the day also, but day at last. So you have to find out the specific format. Okay, just a sec. I'll show you what format I'm talking about. So I'm talking about this format. So find out in format cells in which I want the day, but day should come at the last. Find out.
Yeah, that option is not in my list.
Okay. So do you know how to change this now? Might be possible, like, sometimes you want your own format. That's why I'm teaching you this. Do you know this or shall I tell you?
What are you asking me?
So I want the same format. You are saying it's not there in a list. So
Hmm.
let me help out how to find out. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, it was like this. You go to the format cells. Now go to the custom. Just go to the custom.
Yep.
In custom, you can create your own format. See how. Whatever is coming in type, just erase it and now type DD two times.
Okay.
Are you doing along with me?
Yes.
Yeah. Now type the hyphen or the dash and
Yep.
then type two times. You'll get 01. If you make three times, you'll see Jan. If you make it four times, it becomes January.
Okay.
Just see on sample. Are you able to see the difference in sample? It is changing in sample,
Yep.
right? Yeah. Now for year, 2 times YY gives you 21. If you type 4 times YY, you got 2021. Comma, 3 times DD give you TUE. Two. 4 times DD gives you Tuesday. I will,
Yep. I
if
have
you
that.
click on, yeah, if you click on OK, can you see the same format which is on my screen?
Yep. I have the same one.
Okay. Now change into only month and year. So I want January 2021.
Okay. Okay. So I did month 4 times, space year 4 times. So I have
Right,
January 2021.
right. Yeah. So you have to go to format cells and now type month 4 times and then year 4 times. Perfect.
Yep.
In this way, you can create any of the format. Have you seen that? You want only date, you want date and month, you want date, month, year. You can create this way. Are we good?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now, if you press Control, Shift, and semicolon, that's a time.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Now in the next cell, so maybe in D4, just type today. Today also gives you the current date. But today will keep on changing. If we'll open this sheet after 2 days, it will be 28th January. So today, as it's a formula, it will keep on changing every day. Control semicolon will not change. Is it clear,
All
Monik,
right.
what I'm
Can you
trying to
go
tell
back
you?
to today and how
Yeah,
did you type it in?
yeah,
Equals
see,
today. Okay.
equal to
Yep.
today.
Got it.
Got it? So what I was
Yep.
telling you is like, this will keep on changing. If you'll open this sheet after 2 days, it will be 28th January. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Now we have the formula equal to now open and close bracket. Just do this. This will give you
All
date and
right.
time both. So for me, time is coming as it's a evening in India. So it's showing me 19:23. What time you are getting?
I'm getting 8:53.